In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Freshsales CRM, a simple process that will take just about 5 minutes. Our goal here is to make your work more efficient by integrating these two powerful tools, allowing you to seamlessly manage your meetings and sales interactions. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Freshsales website. Open your web browser and type in the URL, which will take you directly to the Freshsales homepage. Once you're there, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type it into the designated field and proceed to sign in. It's important here to ensure you're using the correct email associated with your Freshsales account to avoid any login issues. After you've signed in successfully, locate your profile icon. This should also be in the top right area of your screen, right where your user-related options usually reside. Click on your profile icon, which will unveil a drop-down menu of settings. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Personal Settings. This is where the magic happens, and you start the process of linking your Zoom account. Once you're in the Personal Settings section, look for the Calendar and Conferencing tab. It's typically positioned towards the top of the page as a tab or option. Click on it, and you will find a list of conferencing tool options that are available for integration with Freshsales. Here, you need to find and click on Zoom. This is the initial step in beginning the connection process between Zoom and your CRM. After clicking on Zoom, you should see an option to select an existing Zoom account. If you're already set up, select the account you wish to connect. If not, you might also see the option to log in with Google, which is a convenient feature if your Zoom account is linked to your Google credentials. The final step involves establishing and authorizing any access needed to complete the connection between the two applications. This part can involve permissions such as allowing the apps to exchange data to make your meetings more manageable. Carefully read through any prompts and grant the necessary permissions to ensure a smooth integration. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully linked your Zoom account with Freshsales CRM. This integration should streamline your workflow, allowing you to schedule and manage meetings directly from your CRM, saving you precious time. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to double-check each step or reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!